तो आज हमारे पास है ये दो हेलमेट्स और ये दोनों के दोनों प्रीमियम लिमिटेड एडिशन हेलमेट है। वन इज द एल्पाइन स्टार एंड अदर वन इज शार्क। तो हम वन बाय वन करके फर्स्ट मैं आपको शार्क का दे दूंगी एंड सेकंड मैं आपको एल्पाइन स्टार का दे दूंगी। तो वन बाय वन करके हम इसको अनबॉक्स करेंगे और इसका प्रॉपर रिव्यू देंगे इन डिटेल। So today I'm going to unbox and give you a complete product review of this Shark Aeron GP Johann Zarco limited edition. And let's quickly unbox this and I'll give you a quick closer look to it.
So let's open the box and see what Shark has packed inside.
Whoa!
Just look at the premium helmet bag.
So this has a
High quality material to protect the helmet from dust and scratches.
So talking about the helmet packaging, we get a premium packaging in the box.
It comes with both sturdy zipper and velcro closure so your helmet stays secure while carrying or storing it. It also includes a shoulder strap making it easier and more comfortable to carry the helmet wherever you go. It also includes a pin lock anti-fog insert in the box. It helps prevent visor fogging, ensuring crystal clear visibility in cold, rainy or humid riding conditions. Some cool Shark stickers. Next up, we get this black smoke visor in the box. The visor comes safely packed in a protective cover to prevent scratches during the transport.
Whoa! Amazing. It looks amazing. Let me give you a quick closer look also to it.
It not only gives the helmet a much more aggressive race-inspired look but also helps reduce glare while riding in bright
And
daylight.
then we have the most important thing is this helmet. So talking about the helmet, let's quickly open this. Super light, I feel.
The packaging itself feels premium.
Oh my god. Can you believe this?
It weighs just about 1410 grams, making it surprisingly lightweight and comfortable for long rides. Moving to the front, up front, you get a large chin vent for efficient airflow. It helps keep the helmet cool while also reducing visor fogging for a better visibility. Now let's talk about the helmet itself. The Shark Aeron GP features a lightweight carbon and aramid shell making it strong without feeling heavy. It's built with aerodynamics inspired by MotoGP racing, and that rare spoiler isn't just for looks. It helps improve stability at high speed. Coming to the ventilation system. The ventilation system is another highlight with multiple air intakes and exhaust vents to keep airflow moving, especially during the long rides or track sessions. It also comes with an optical class 1 visor that's anti-scratch with and quick to remove, plus a secure double D ring closure that's trusted on a racetrack. The visor mechanism is equally impressive, offering a smooth, precise opening and closing action with a secure locking system to keep the visor firmly in place even during high-speed riding. And those Johann Zarco graphics with the glossy finish make this helmet look absolutely stunning from every angle. The sculpted shell and integrated spoiler are designed to improve stability at high speeds while giving a helmet a true race bike look. One of the biggest highlights of this helmet is that it's the Johann Zarco 11th May 25 historic edition. The special edition branding makes it much more than just riding It's gear. A tribute to one of MotoGP's most iconic moments. The interior feels soft, premium and comfortable with emergency cheek pad removal for added safety. From the paint finish to overall build quality, this helmet screams premium.
So that's all, guys. If you like what I said, make sure to hit the like button, comment and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also I'm going to come up with another unboxing video of Alpine Star Supertech SR10 Martinator Flight. So if you guys are interested, make sure to hit the like button and obviously comment down. And if you have any queries or if you have any doubts you want me to answer about that helmet, then definitely I'm gonna speak about it once I read all your comments. So make sure to drop your comments. And if you have any queries regarding this helmet, then definitely drop out. I'm gonna make another video on it or I'm definitely gonna reply to it. So yeah, I'm waiting for your comments and definitely I'm gonna come up with some more videos. So stay tuned and see ya.